Thank you for making math as interesting as possible and for creating an appreciation of the uses of GeoGebra. GeoGebra and Desmos, those are my jam.
Mrs. McDonald is actually a real one. She's excused me from like 10 quizzes this semester. It's going to be really sad when she leaves. Don't tell admin that.
Mrs. Petulante is a wonderful gem. I love her so, so much. Please never stop being your sarcastic, carrot cake loving self. Oh, that is so sweet.
Mr. Davis is the purest soul and needs to be protected at all times.
The only thing I remember is your handstand. And I don't even remember what topic you were teaching us with. Logs are exponents.
Mr. Chase, I'm sorry for falling asleep in your class all the time. It's not you, it's me. You're forgiven.
I am so sorry for not doing my homework in your calc class for almost 3 weeks straight. I think I know who this is. I appreciate how you stopped checking, though, to save me the embarrassment.
Mr. Davis is an awesome teacher, but I think it's weird that he and his children have the same face.
You seem nice, TBH.
To be honest.
To be honest. Okay, thank you for the hint. I never would have figured that one out since I don't do that kind of stuff.
I didn't know it's possibly to be overly happy and completely intimidating at the same time. But Miss Goetz pulls it off.
Never met Mrs. McDonald, but she seems nice from a distance.
Mr. Chase is a god, and he will never stop getting that bread. I know who wrote this one. However, he looks like a nicer version of Sid from Toy Story. Is that a compliment?
I don't know you, but your wife is great. Mrs. Davis will be happy to know that.
Mrs. McDonald, you made me like math. Queen, you're a really interesting person. I kind of want to read your life story in the form of a memoir. What I'm saying is, please write a memoir. Math teachers can't write.
Mrs. Petulante is like one of those sleeper picks in the NBA draft, except I don't follow sports. At first you don't know her, but then a few years go by and you realize that she's one of the best. Oh, that's a good analogy then.
Mrs. Goetz is more unavailable for help than Donald Trump is available to the Russians.
I have the feeling that Mr. Chase is that guy who starts clapping when the plane lands. I am totally not that guy, but I do like airplanes a lot.
McDonald did a statistical analysis of the chance of their marriage succeeding before tying the knots. Well, we actually did. The p-value was quite low.
Mrs. Petulante, thanks for watching Olympic bobsledding events with us in SL Math. I never remember watching Olympic bobsledding events. When did this happen? Oh well.
Mr. Davis is a genius that doesn't understand human emotion.
I saw Mrs. Goetz dance in class once. Delaney taught me my moves. And it looked like she was just being shocked by electricity at quick intervals.
Mrs. McDonald, I love you. Marry me.
In the least weirdest way possible, Mr. Davis is the human embodiment of a teddy bear. I'm glad it's the least weirdest way possible.
Mr. Chase capitalizes everything, which sucks. That's what it says here. That is not true. You've seen how kindly I write my capital letters. There's no shouting involved. Anyone who's had me knows this. Come on.
Miss Petulante seems like a nice person, but deep down inside, I could see her in a Breaking Bad type of situation. No, I don't think so.
202-671-7233. That is the Child Protective Services hotline. Someone report this, please. Love, Delaney.